Would you like to know the best moving apps and some moving tips for families? Well, let's go because we're about to get into it. Hi there, I'm a realtor and mom, and I post new videos every Wednesday about real estate and lifestyle in the Orlando area. And today we're going to be talking about how I survived the apocalypse. No, really, we're really going to discuss some moving tips for families and the best moving apps to make your life just a little bit easier. And if you haven't done so already and you're planning to make a move, you have to know that moving with kids can be an absolute nightmare. And I was originally gonna name this video the 5 hacks for moving with kids to make it less stressful, and then I was thinking about my own move that I just recently did during the holidays. Just mind you, it was just a terrible decision, and I was like, there is nothing easy about it, and that's just the plain truth. So there's no workaround, there's no shortcut, or the word hacks is completely out of the question. And so you're probably going to be so emotionally and physically exhausted by the end of your move that you're just going to want to vegetate for a whole entire month. Therefore, I came up with the 5 apps I use to make moving just a weeny bit easier. Make sure to grab a copy of your free home buyer's guide by clicking the link in the description below, and that will help you guys out a lot. So let's get started. Number 5 is the Wallabat DIY app. I think I'm pronouncing it correctly. This app basically looks for wood studs, wood and pipes, and it tracks pests and rodents and anything in the walls that can potentially cause a nightmare when you're trying to put something up on the wall. It does cost around $90, but it helps with, putting less holes in the walls, and you're not going crazy looking for where to hang up stuff. So number 4 is the Facebook Marketplace. So I had to let go of a couple things, and I let go of my desk unit that wouldn't fit into my new office space. So I simply just snapped a picture on my phone with a short description on Facebook Marketplace, and tons of interest came in with people just messaging me Facebook Messenger, and I sold it for $200 in 2-3 days, which was great. And we all could use a little extra cash, right? Number 3 is Instacart. So this app, the first couple weeks, you're still unpacking in all your kitchen stuff. You can't find anything. You can't find anything. You really need to get organized. And until then, I can't get anything right until I'm organized. So with Instacart, you can order your groceries and have them delivered, or you can pick them up yourself. And who has time to go food shopping when you're unpacking and organizing? So for delivery, you can choose your delivery window, which is really, really convenient. It does include a driver tip section from 0 to 20, but it's always good to include a good tip for the person. After all, they did spend all that time getting your groceries. Number 2 is TaskRabbit. So the workers here are super professional, and they even have movers here as well. It's as easy as 1 to 3, to pick your contractor based on their skills and previous jobs and reviews and hourly rate that they require. And then you pick what you need done from them, from furniture assembly, mounting, TV, mirrors, home repairs, cleaning, winterizing your home, and it's all great for everyone because they just have to pass a background check. And personally, I use them to help me move some really heavy furniture, which I was going to rent a truck out, and it cost me more money. But you can pick and choose which contractor that requires having a truck or not. And this saved me so much hassle and so much headache. So number 1 above everything is DoorDash. Moving is and it can be so hectic. And even when you're planning ahead of time and you've made all these sandwiches, who has time to make sandwiches? It's just not enough. I mean, the hunger level was way above normal because you are moving boxes and burning up all that extra energy. So the DoorDash app was super easy and helped me save money. The delivery fees, I chose the restaurants nearby. So you click on first order, 0 delivery fee, or the ones that say, free delivery over $12. That's what I use. Guys, thanks so much for watching. As promised, click the link in the description to get your free home buyer's guide, and consider subscribing and hit the bell as well, because you won't want to miss all these amazing real estate videos I have lined up for you guys. Take care. See you on the next one.